Chicken soup can fix anything, especially when you do it like this. Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike. Thank you for being here with me today. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to follow us here so you don't miss out on any of these great recipes. And I'll have all the details for today's recipe down in the video description. Now, I'll be featuring two of our most popular sauces today, the El Yucateco Green and the El Yucateco Red. So let's get into the recipe. We're gonna start with a large soup pot with olive oil and butter. To this, we're gonna add just a few onions and some chopped garlic. Now make sure you're stirring this frequently while you're sauteing it so your garlic doesn't burn. We just want these onions to begin to soften and become translucent, and for that garlic to flavor this base. Now we're gonna add some chicken breast that I have just trimmed and cut in half. And chicken loves our El Yucateco Green. Give this a quick stir. Then add enough chicken broth to cover. Now crank this up to a medium-high heat, cover it, and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes until that chicken becomes shreddable. This process adds so much concentrated flavor to the chicken. Now we're going to add the remainder of our ingredients, the rest of the onions and garlic, as well as some carrots and celery. And here's where the El Yucateco Red comes in. We are really going to spike this broth up with some incredible flavor. Now add the remainder of the chicken broth. And don't forget your parsley like I almost did. Now give all that a good stir. Now just cover that up and cook that on medium to high heat for approximately 20 minutes, or until your vegetables become soft. Now we're gonna add our tortellini. I'm using cheese tortellini today, but you can use any tortellini that you like. Once again, cover that up and cook it on medium to high heat for about 15 minutes or until that tortellini is nice and tender. Then it's time to serve it up just like this. Okay, for the record, soup is one of my favorite meals, so I'm looking forward to this taste test. This is gonna be crazy hot. Cheers, everyone. Now, even though we got this done in just a little bit over an hour, you wouldn't know that this wasn't on the stove all day. The El Yucateco Red and Green packed this recipe with some intense flavor. So that's it for today's video. I want to thank you very much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.